If your plant needs to achieve something, it's best to get straight to the point. What if you could simply select an outcome and see the operational benefit immediately? No jargon, just results. You could simplify security, monitoring all risks in one system. Maybe you'd automate some offshore startup tasks, cutting mistakes and saving hours. Or perhaps you'd choose to save energy and find ways to cut downtime. Wherever you start, once you've tasted success, there are plenty more quick wins left to pick from. ABB Digital. Get straight to the results.